Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we're gonna be going over a few of my personal top 6 picks for the holiday season. In light of Christmas being just around the corner, and due to the fact that it's been pretty chilly as of late, I thought I'd put together a list of some of my personal favorite gifts ideas. But with that to say, if you're not sure what to get somebody, you can always do the minimal gift card. If you're a procrastinator, that's instant delivery. But if you do decide that one of these items here are good for you, or if you find something on the site, Minimal's got you covered because they're offering free upgraded express shipping that's eligible until the 17th, which guarantees you're gonna get your gift before Christmas. Anyways, with all that to say, let's go ahead and jump right into my list of my top 6 jackets right now. These have all either just released or they're just a couple of my favorites. Now with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this list. And first up, we have the Buffalo Plaid jacket. And guys, this should come as no surprise because this is an all-time favorite of mine. I believe this one sold out once prior and now restocked. And I'm not sure if this one's gonna sit on the site for long due to the fact that plaid is just such a vibe during this time of the year. And I love the elements that make this jacket. Of course, you have the zipper closure, a cropped finish, as well as some 2 big pockets up front. But I think the best part of this jacket is actually a simple element, and it's just that it fits really, really well. I took a size medium in this jacket, and it is perfect for wearing with just a t-shirt. But if you do decide it's a little bit too cold for that, you can definitely get away with wearing a hoodie underneath, and you have more than enough room. So definitely a great piece for this time of the year, and why I absolutely had to put the Buffalo Plaid jacket on my list. And next up, we have the hooded denim jacket. And this specific jacket right here is so great due to the fact that workwear is just so trendy right now. I feel like it's such a vibe. And this definitely is no exception. Just the construction, the overall fit and build of this jacket was excellently executed. And we all know a great denim jacket will never ever not be cool or in trend. So I had to add this one onto my list. It's just the details that make this thing great. The quality is incredible, very, very heavyweight denim. And I think it goes without saying that the key feature about this jacket is that it does have that hood with the cotton lining. It does a very, very well with insulation. A very sick jacket if I don't say so myself. And why the hooded denim work jacket definitely had to make my list. Next up on the list is the field jacket. And guys, this should also come as no surprise. I love this thing. It's one of those jackets that you can absolutely dress up or dress down. While it's ultra versatile, this jacket is all about the details. I love the hardware that they use. You have the nice big chunky zipper up front, as well as the very high grade buttons. And then obviously you have the super soft corduroy for the collar. Very, very nice contrast to kind of break up the jacket in itself. And then you have like the nice big pockets up front for utility. In my opinion, this is the type of jacket that belongs in everybody's wardrobe because it is very versatile, very clean, and it's just an overall go-to type of jacket. It's very, very good at what it does. So yeah, definitely had to add this one to the list. Next up is actually a surprising addition. This is a jacket that I've actually grown to love, and we have none other than the Tech Fleece jacket. Now, if I'm honest with you guys, I didn't really think I'd like this thing as much as I actually do. Now, that doesn't mean I didn't think I was gonna like it, or else why would I order it? But I didn't realize how cozy this thing would ultimately be. Tech Fleece material is insanely soft and amazing on the skin. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, if I'm going to the grocery or if I just want to throw on a jacket because I'm cold inside my house. This has been the jacket I've been going to, which is why it had to make the list. It fits really, really nicely. I did go true to size with a medium and do find it fits perfectly. This isn't the type of jacket you'd use for layering because it's very cozy in and of itself. And of course, it looks really, really great with some of the contrasting materials. You have the nylon patches and stuff like that for pockets. Very, very nice jacket overall. This is probably the trendiest jacket I own right now. I just love this thing. I've been wearing it time and time again ever since it came out, and it did drop a while back. I do believe it did restock, so it should be on the site. And what we have here is the cropped puffer jacket. No secret, I absolutely love this thing. It is so fire, so unique. If you guys have yet to check out my full review on this jacket, be sure to do so because there's just so many elements about this jacket that make it cool. But just a few of them is that it fits really, really unique, breaks so many fashion laws, and it has this really nice age to it and insanely trendy. I mean, what more can I say, man? The crop puffer, it's a go. And last up, to round off our holiday list, we have a jacket that Santa himself would be envious of. We have the new puffer jacket. And guys, whether you're into the trend or not, puffers are here to stay. And you see them on the likes of celebrities, influencers, and everybody in between. Such a fire piece, and it's probably the most equipped jacket to keep you warm in those snowy, cold, and wet months. This thing is ultra versatile, being able to be worn with a t-shirt or layered with a hoodie because of the extra room that's inside of it. And actually, one thing that many don't know is that it actually has this feature of being somewhat water resistant, because you can kind of tighten these bungees here at the bottom and it won't let water come in. So if you're looking for a really practical and warm and trendy jacket, look no further than the new mnml puffer. They just stocked on the site. Be sure to check it out. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Hopefully you found it helpful for your holiday needs. Now, if you're anything like me and you do procrastinate, rest assured that mnml does offer gift cards, so that's definitely on the table as well. Also, if you do decide to get any of these products here or anything on the site, know that if you purchase it before the 17th, you'll be able to receive it before Christmas, guaranteed. Anyways, that's all for me. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Once again, thank you for support, and I'll see you guys next week for another Mnml Mondays.